All right, this is just a quick tutorial on how maybe a new player might want to set up their screen. Just an idea. Obviously, you set it up however you feel most comfortable. So what I'd recommend is unlocking your chat box. Make sure it's aligned with the extra buttons down here and the tower. Lock it. You're going to bring up the combat tracker. You're going to move it over to the chat box and make it align with the chat box. You can move this as far up as you want, and you want to leave a little bit of room down here so that you can read the results. You can always make more room if you want. To bring up your character, you're going to click on your portrait. To bring up the map, you're going to double click on the token up here. Then you see this little arrow button. You're going to click on that to expand the map. Then you're going to want to minimize the sidebar. You can still access all this stuff. Then to zoom in and out of the map, I use the mouse wheel. And to move around in the map, I click down on the mouse wheel. You can also use the buttons down here. You click on it and then move up, down, left, or right. To attack, 3 ways. You can, from your character sheet, roll on top of the NPC. You can roll on the NPC in the combat tracker. Or you can target the NPC by hitting Control. And that will target them. And you can see who you have targeted, because if you go here, it'll show your target. So here I have the Abominable Yeti targeted. Now he's gone. Or you can see where he is right there. And that's it.